Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.
Yes, mobile mechanic.
Yeah, hi. I'm good. I was calling. Do y'all do AC repairs on Nissans?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
What year? What year is it, and what's going on?
It's a 2023 Nissan Murano, and the AC hasn't been working since September of last year.
Okay.
Supposedly, I guess the compressor's cracked or broken or something.
Was it in an accident or anything?
No, not at all. No, sir. Mm-mm. Do you know like roughly how much it costs to fix AC like this, or like an estimate?
Labor, you'll probably be at about like $300, but I couldn't tell you how much the price is.
Gotcha. Okay.
I mean, the price of the part is.
Okay. So let me see. Okay.
So I would say probably about 800. Just rough. I mean, I can't give you
I understand, sir. I understand. Okay. All right.
All right.
What's your schedule like?
For when? Today?
Not today, but possibly tomorrow, maybe.
That'll be
or
fine.
With you. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
So just let me know when you want me to come out.
Okay. I will. I'm going to give you a call back in about 30 minutes. Thank you.
No problem.
All right. Bye-bye.
So if you are waiting for the perfect time to seize this opportunity, the time is now.
Are you fed up with carrying the burden of a house you can't afford? Tired of being a landlord? House needs too many repairs? Going through foreclosure? Facing divorce? Income or job loss? Medical bills? Relocation? Inherited an unwanted house? Tired of paying taxes on a vacant house? No matter the reason, condition, or price, we buy houses as is.
WeBuyHousesCashOrTerm.com is your real estate housing consultant when you need to sell your house fast, as is condition, to a cash home buyer and get peace of mind.
Carhelpout.com is the best way to get a mobile mechanic autocar repair service shop on wheels to come to you. Whether you're stuck at home or on the side of the road, our mobile mechanics are ready to assist you. We bring the repair shop to your location to save you time and hassle. We also provide emergency vehicle roadside assistance, such as car battery jump start, flat tire road service, running out of gas service if your vehicle stops or has a problem on the side of the road or any business parking lot. We understand that car troubles can be stressful, so we aim to provide quick and efficient solutions to get you back on the road as soon as possible. Additionally, we offer pre-purchase used car buying inspection checkup services review. Whether you're buying from local dealership or private car owner seller, either from Craigslist, Facebook Marketplace, automotive auction, or anywhere else, we can help you with PPI inspection. We can come to you at any location, whether it's your home driveway, your office parking lot, or even if you're stranded on the roadside.
Carhelpout.com. It's the convenience.